Strong Woman is an event showcasing the incredible strength and remarkable endurance of female athletes. And one of those hoping to make a remark in the sport is 27-year-old Queenie Kwan.
I was first introduced to Strongman, Strong Woman at the end of 2019 by the owners of Desai One. I did one novice comp and I instantly fell in love with it.
From her first taste of the competition, Queenie has committed years of intense training in heavy lifting, drawing on her childhood experiences in Samoa to fuel her passion.
And I think it's just like the genes in me, because in Samoa, I used to lift a lot of I used to go and do the popos in the islands. There's a lot of different events and movements that are in the strongman sport, and both females and males have the same events, just different weights. So for the deadlift, we have to train for the minimum, which is 160. I'm currently training below it, and then for the log, it's 80 kgs. For the dumbbell, it's 50 kgs. For the keg, it's 60 kgs. And for the sandbag carry, it's 80, 90 kgs, yeah.
Her journey as a strong woman has been marked with significant challenges, including taking a 2-year break after discovering she was pregnant in 2020, before making a comeback in late 2022.
The sport has been a huge part of my journey back to fitness, because before I had my son, I was sitting around 75 kgs, and then after I had my son, I was over 100 kgs. So that's the reason why I love the sport so much, because it has mentally and physically helped me a lot.
In her previous competitions, Queenie entered without the guidance of a professional coach, taking great pride in achieving this feat all on her own. But the realization of the importance of having a coach came at a cost.
When I first started Strongman, it was my second ever competition. I didn't know how to deadlift properly, so I lift 150 kgs and something in my back pulled, or it was just horrible, because I still feel it, but it hasn't stopped me from doing other things that I'm good at or I'm strong at.
Her perseverance has led to incredible achievements, including the under-82 women's monster dumbbell record lift of 55 kgs, and first place in the Viking press lift at last year's Nationals. By taking on a traditionally male-dominated sport, she feels empowered to be in such a space with her female competitors, proving that strength isn't just about lifting weights, but lifting each other up.
Being in this space has shown me how much power I have, and that strength isn't confined to a gender, and I hope to empower other women out there that pursue your dreams no matter how unconventional they may seem.